Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your own voice in the Waze app in 2026. Do you want Waze to give navigation instruction using your own voice? You can create a custom voice recording directly inside the app. And here's the instructions on how to do so. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store, so download it from the official store and enjoy an easy and more practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to record your own voice in the Waze app in 2026. So the first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and tap the sound icon. I'm going to click on this sound icon right here. Now let's go back here and click on the sound icon here. Now here you're going to find the current voice. As you can see here, it's set to Amy. We're going to tap the voice that is currently selected. For example here, and here we're gonna, under the current voice, we're gonna tap the choice that's currently selected. And here you can click on the custom voices. Then you're gonna choose a new voice. This option right here and the custom voices. And then you're gonna tap the first phrase you want to record. For example, you're gonna choose here. As you can see, your recordings are used to guide you on the map. Make sure they're clear and accurate. So you're gonna click on OK. And then you're gonna allow the microphone. Here we're going to allow the microphone, the Waze app, to use your microphone. And you're finished, you're going to select some phrases and record them. And when you're finished, you're going to tap the stop button and you're going to tap the play button to listen to your recording. And if you're happy with it, save the recording and continue with the remaining phrases. Also, try to record somewhere quiet and speak clearly so your instructions are easy to understand. And when you're finished, tap done and enter a name for your custom voice, then tap add, and your recording will now appear under the custom voices. And that's it. That's how you create your own Waze voice, navigation voice. Now your next drive can sound a little more professional. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.